Welcome to Wise Owl Toy Channel.
Hi.
Today we have one of our favorite things, Shopkins!
We love them.
We love Shopkins so much, so we're really excited to be doing this video. So first, we'll be reviewing the Shopkins Small Mart!
Yay!
And then the fridge later. So, the Shopkins Small Mart is like a place set where a bunch of different stuff happens. If you can see, I'm motioning to this thing in the back. You put a Shopkin in, and it goes up, and it slides down into a basket.
Did you want to?
Yeah, I'm going to demonstrate how it works.
On Wobbles, the Jello.
Wobbles the Jello
from season 1.
And here's a shopping cart, and there's a cash
And
register.
he's really so be easier. So you have to go.
Okay, I'm just going to grab a shopping bag from here and put it right on the bottom. Okay. Ready, set, let's go, Wobbles! Yay! Oh, they're so adorable. I love this toy. So, it comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins, hand sanitizer, or is it moisturizer? I think it's moisturizer. And margarine. It's kind of like butter.
I don't like hand sanitizer at all, so it's good. It's just moisturizer.
Okay, thank you for Wobbles. I'm going to demonstrate how the cash register works. So after you have slid your Shopkins, you gotta do it this way. Gotta wind it, just pull it, and then the Shopkin falls in.
Easy and quick.
So that's how this works. And there's 2 doors that can open and close. And you can just take this off. And there's shelves to store your Shopkins on if you just don't want to use a case or anything. Lots of shelves. And this is a really, really fun playset. So I totally recommend this for lots of you guys who like Shopkins. Okay. We'll also be doing a Shopkin collection video pretty soon. So stay tuned for that one too. I love this so much.
Shopkins are Dia's life and my life too. I love Shopkins. First, me and my sister, we got into it, and then we started developing. Then Dia loved it too, and she got Shopkins.
Okay, and Shopkins got really crazy in my class, so everybody wanted those. So here's a Shopkin fridge. It doesn't come with stickers on it. The stickers come in a pack, but my sisters decided to decorate it with some stickers so you guys can see it really nice.
It opens, and this drawer and this drawer they open.
And this one and this little thing too. So you guys see this little cup right here? It goes into the... Wait, but first you put a Shopkin in. I'm going to use Wobbles again. You put him on here. And then you push the cup like you would do to an ice maker thing. And then he would fall in. Right there.
It's really cool.
Can you guys hear that? He's like wobbling.
Guys, is this a drink?
I don't think so, but there's something that you can boil in here. Little baby egg Shopkins.
They're exclusive.
Exclusive little baby egg Shopkins. Isn't that the cutest?
Oh no. Let me show you one so everyone can see. See. It's little baby egg Shopkins. They're very small. They're easy to lose, but they're so cute. Look at this face. How they're squeezed, and her mouth is open.
Awesome.
And it also comes with an exclusive strawberries and cream. Also, it comes with a soda, but we kind of lost it. So while we were unpacking the fridge. Yeah, so it's kind of sad, but you know, we can find it again. The fridge is great.
The fridge is great, and the Small Mart is great.
Yeah.
Guys, can you bring some of your Season 3 Shopkins? As you guys probably know, Season 3 came out during the summer. So it's totally awesome. And we have quite a few season 3 Shopkins.
42. Me and my sister together.
And I have like
not 42.
I have like 13. Look at all our season 3 Shopkins.
Yes. And if you don't know, these are the ultra rare Shopkins.
Chalk frosted Shopkins.
Chalk frosted.
These are one of the chalk frosted.
And for the
special edition.
Special edition, yes, that's the word. It's polished pearl. This snippy scissors looks like she has 2 mouths. If you guys can see, it's kind of weird, but they're awesome.
This is
they're
penny
so cool.
pencil.
School supplies.
And this is Secret Sally.
And Stella stapler. They're really cute. They're also very shiny when you see them.
There's lots of awesome Shopkins to collect, like international food. In season 3, sweet treats, which is always a classic. Shoes, hats this season is new, and all the hats coordinate with a shoe. So look, Jennifer Rain and Taylor Rain, rain hat, rain boot, right?
Same color.
Really, really cute. And there's also purple banana bread.
And there's regular banana bread, which Dia has. And plus, remember the first episode when we had vanilla scented macaroons? Well, I'll show you a Shopkin macaroon because in season 3 there are macaroons.
They're so cute.
Macaron.
Sorry, macaron. I don't know how to
Macaron's
say
a coconut cookie.
Sorry, I don't know how to say it. I'm not very familiar with that.
It's a French word.
Yeah,
French.
Mamma mia. Pizzeria.
Oh yeah,
That's Italian.
Speaking of pizza, we have Pop Pizza right here.
From season 1.
Season one.
Poor pizza.
Strawberries
pizza.
and cream and pop pizza are married.
No, they're
This is our song for Pop Pizza. Poor pizza. Poor pizza. Poor pizza.
Poor pizza.
Poor pizza. Poor pizza. Poor pizza. Poor pizza. It's frozen in the house.
Woo!
Not you, Olaf.
Ow.
Sorry. As you can see, we are crazy for Shopkins. I even have a Shopkins slap. Leah, can you bring me my other Shopkin thing? It's in my school bag.
Sure.
In the front pocket. So we'll be totally doing some more Shopkin videos because we love Shopkin so much. As soon as we get our hands on some more Shopkin packs or Shopkin blind bags, we'll totally show those to you guys too. We would love to. And if you guys have any suggestions of any other toys that we could review, please tell us in the comments. We love to get comments. We love to answer them too. Although I haven't figured out how to answer comments on the iPad yet. Oh yeah, and recently I got a cheeky chocolate plush hanger Shopkins. So they come in blind bags, so you never know which ones you're going to get. And maybe if I get my hands on another one of these, I'll totally open it in front of you guys. So yeah, there's a lot of Shopkin themed stuff at Claire's. So if any of you want to go to Claire's, you can find these and Shopkin slap bands, which are really awesome.
Really cute too.
Really cute too. And I think we're going to do a video where we have a lot of Shopkins, and we're going to do a Shopkin count. So, and we're going to probably do a Beanie Boo video where we're going to introduce you.
We have thousands of Beanie Boos.
Just stop talking for a second. So we're going to do a Beanie Boo reviewing video too.
Yeah.
So you guys got to stay tuned for all that stuff. Thank
All
you
of
for
it.
watching.